Hi friends and welcome to Susan Recipes. Today we are going to make Bittergourd chicken, that is Karela with chicken. In this recipe we are not going to use a lot of spices. It's a very simple and plain recipe. So the ingredients that we require for this recipe are: I have taken 1 kg Bittergourd. I've cut them into thin slices like this. If you don't want the seed, you can take out the seed. Here I have taken little chicken. I've cut them into small slices. Here I have taken 2 onions and I've cut them into big slices like this, bigger pieces. This is garlic. I have taken 6 cloves of garlic and I have chopped them. Black pepper powder as per your taste. You can use green chilies here. My chilies have become red. Soya sauce, corn flour, coriander leaves. Salt is also here, and apart from all these things we are going to use water and oil for cooking. So the very first step for preparing this recipe is, first we'll boil little water, and when the water comes to boil we'll add all the bittergourd in that, the Karela. And we'll let it boil for 5 minutes. By the time our bittergourd is getting boiled, the Karela is getting boiled, we are going to marinate the chicken. We'll add little corn flour, little soya sauce, little black pepper powder, and we are going to mix it. We just leave it aside for some time till our bittergourds get boiled. It's already 5 minutes. So now we'll put off the flame and we'll take out this bittergourd into another bowl. We are actually not cooking the bittergourd right now completely in this. We are just boiling it for 5 minutes so that the bitterness goes away. If you want your bittergourd to be a little bit bitter, then you reduce the time of boiling. Here our boiled bittergourd, we keep it separately. Now we will start cooking the chicken. So we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil. And I will add the chopped garlic, then I'll add the onions, we'll saute this only till the onions loses its rawness a bit. Now we'll add the marinated chicken. Reduce the flame to medium. we'll cover this and let the chicken get cooked for some time. This will be done on low flame. Maybe 5 minutes we'll see. Now our chicken is slightly cooked. We'll add the green chilies. This is as per your taste. Salt, black pepper, whatever you want to add right now you can add. Increase the flame a bit. Put it in high medium. And now add the boiled bittergourd. And mix everything. Add little soya sauce. If required, you will give water, or else if not required, try avoid giving water. Again, we are going to cover this and cook for some time. Yeah, as you can see, the water is absorbed and our Karela, the bittergourd, is already cooked, and also the chicken. So now we'll add the coriander leaves. And we'll transfer it to another bowl. Here, our bittergourd chicken is ready to serve. I hope you liked my recipe. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get the updates of my new recipes. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.